In 1969, humanity accomplished a major milestone in space exploration by landing on the moon's surface.
Both hands down about the fourth rung up. There you go.
Mars has long been considered as the next destination, but today, in 2023, and after more than 50 years, we have yet to attain that goal due to the numerous hurdles the expedition is experiencing. How can artificial intelligence, which is on the rise these days, help us in overcoming these challenges? In this video, we will look at 4 of the challenges and how AI could help to tackle them. You will notice a pattern in the coming solutions. Almost all of them depend on the database fed into it. You will notice that artificial intelligence is intelligent in analyzing mainly. The 140 million miles distance between Earth and Mars is one of the major problems in the Mars mission. Sending a signal between the two planets takes around 5 to 20 minutes, depending on the planet's positions. This means that if the station on Earth wants to contact the crew on Mars, the crew will have to wait at least 5 minutes to get the message, and the station will have to wait at least another 5 minutes to get the response, and so on. This communication delay is crucial, as communication is key to success of the mission, especially in case of emergencies, critical experiments, launching and landing operations, and similar cases. Plus the chance of losing information while the data transmission. AI could help in solving the problem, or at least optimizing the communication process by predicting potential issues and optimize the communication protocols. Also, AI could be used by the crew to reduce the dependency on the station on Earth. For example, AI could be integrated in the spacecraft navigation system to help the crew in the spacecraft to land safely by analyzing the environmental and geological data, and therefore help the spacecraft to find a safe position to land on. It could also help in choosing safer and faster routes to Mars by analyzing the data fed into it. AI can work as an assistant for the crew. In case of emergencies, they can ask the AI assistant till they get a response from the station on Earth. Managing resourcing is crucial in any space mission, especially Mars, simply because they need to make everything: water, food, heat, and even oxygen. This means that there is no place for waste on Mars. AI could be given all the information about energy, water, food. Then it will analyze it and give ways to minimize the usage and increase efficiency. For example, AI could monitor the water consumption, detect any leaks and notify the crew, or maybe optimize water distribution within the facilities. Also, AI can monitor energy consumption and make it more efficient. One important field would be agriculture, as planting will not happen naturally like on Earth, and the crew will have to create the environment to plant. All signs and measurements should be well monitored. Again, AI is good at analyzing. Give it the data and it will analyze soil quality, plant growth, and weather patterns. It can also give tips on how to improve water and other important resources consumption. AI can help with reduction of usage and giving advice on what could be recycled or reused. It can also assist in creating a more sustainable environment, and an environment that does not depend on Earth. Even though technology has developed in the last decades, it still could not put us on the red planet. Problems like high radiation, microgravity, launching and landing safely, physical health are not solved yet. Or there could be solutions, but it's either too expensive or takes a lot of time and effort. AI could be integrated with the machines and technologies to make better decisions or reduce the time required to come up with a solution. It could also help in increasing the benefit from the mission by creating precise 3D maps of the planet, analyzing the soil and rock samples, and more. It could also assist in increasing the strength of the equipment and make it last longer. One of the biggest barriers in all space exploration missions, if not the biggest barrier, is the cost. Countries and companies spend billions every year to support those missions. For example, NASA is asking for a $27 billion budget for the 2024 fiscal year. According to NASA, they spend around $3 billion each year on the International Space Station. Mars mission will not be any cheaper. Actually, it might be the most expensive mission amongst them all. Without reducing the costs, a Mars mission might not be possible. AI, by increasing efficiency, reducing waste and time required, Managing resources in a better way and helping in improving the technology will eventually reduce the total cost, especially on the long run. AI will not solve all our problems. Actually, many of those AI technologies might be used already in space, so human creativity and intelligence will always be needed. However, AI will improve our work, make us more creative, and help us just like how computers helped us in reaching the moon.